YouTube channel Easy Mathematics with Rohini. So guys, today I am going to solve question number 2 of chapter 5, exercise 5.1. So let's discuss here. Write the first 4 terms of the AP, then the first term A and the common difference D is given. Now guys, you have given the very first term and common difference D, and you have to form the first 4 terms of your AP series. So guys, as I have discussed with you in the introduction part of video, that the general form of an AP series is A, that is the very first term, A plus D. Second term, if you have to find out second term and you are given A and D, then the second term will be A plus D. And the third term will be A plus 2D. And fourth term will be A plus 3D. Okay. And now there is some other way to find out these 4 terms, and I am going to use this method. In fact, here you have given A, that is the very first term A1, which is equals to 10, and common difference, that is D, is equals to 10. So guys, now you have to find out A2, as A1 is given. So A2 is equals to A plus D. A plus D, and it will be equals to 10, that is A1 or A, plus D, which is also 10, and it will be equals to 20. So this is our A2. A3. Now guys, to find out A3, you can write A plus 2D, or you can add D to A2. That is, in your previous term, you can add D, common difference, to find A3. So I am going to use this method. We know that A2 is 20 and common difference D is 10. So A3 will be 30. 20 plus 10, 30. Now A4, which will be also equals to A3, that is previous term, plus D, common difference, and it will become 30 plus 10, which is equals to 40. So here we get our AP series, which is equals to 10 A1, A2 20, A3 30, and A4 40. So these are the first 4 terms of given AP series. Now let's solve part 2. In second part, you have given A is equals to minus 2 and common difference, that is D, is equals to 0. So in a similar way, we will find all the 4 terms in second part. So here guys, you are given A1, which is equals to minus 2, and D is equals to 0. It is very easy part, in fact. So A2 will be equals to A1 plus D, which is equals to minus 2 plus 0 minus 2. Since common difference is 0 here, so we will get minus 2 in all the 4 terms of this part. So it is very easy part. A2, the previous term, plus D, which is again minus 2 plus 0 minus 2. And in a similar way, we can find A4, that is A3 plus D minus 2 plus 0, which is again minus 2. So the first 4 terms of given AP series will be minus 2, minus 2, minus 2, and minus 2. Now let's solve part 3rd. In part 3rd, you have given A is equals to 4 and D is equals to A is equals to 4 and D is equals to minus 3. So in a similar way, we'll find here A2 which is equals to A1 plus D which is equals to 4 plus minus 3. Now here it will become 4 plus minus 3 which is equals to 1. So this is A2. Now A3 will be equals to A2 plus D which will be equals to, here A2 is equals to 1 and D is equals to minus 3. So it will become 1 minus 3 which is equals to minus 2. And now A4 which will be equals to A3 plus D, that is minus 2 plus minus 3. And this is minus 2 plus minus 3 and it will become minus plus and sign will be of minus, that is minus 5. So the first 4 terms of our AP series will be 4, 1, minus 2 and minus 5. It's quite easy, friends. Question number 2 is very easy. If you have any doubt how to form these series, then you can go to the introduction part of my video and there you will easily get the idea. Now let's solve part 4. So here A is equals to minus 1 and D is equals to 1 by 2. It is in fraction basically. So no need to worry here. So A2 in a similar manner we'll solve this part also. A2 will be A1 or A, whatever it is, D, and it will be equals to minus 1 plus D is 1 by 2. So here we'll take the LCM here. It is 2. 2 into minus 1 minus 2 plus 1 and it will become minus 1 by 2. Now A3, it will be A2 plus D. As we know that A2 is minus 1 by 2 and D is 1 by 2. So this is negative, this is positive, it will cancel and we will get 0. Now let's find out A4 here. It will again equals to A3 plus D. That is 0 plus 1 by 2 or D is 1 by 2 and we will get 1 by 2. So the first 4 terms of our AP will be minus 1 by 2, 0 and 1 by 2. So guys, now let's move on to the 5th part. In a similar manner, we'll solve the 5th part also. Here you have given A is equals to, now this part is in decimal terms. You have variety of terms actually in all the parts. Now in 5th part you are given A is equals to 1.25 minus and D is equals to 0.25. I think it is minus 0.25. Let me check first. Yes, it is minus 0.25. Okay. Now let's solve this. A2. This will be equals to A1 plus D, or A1 is minus 1.25 and D is minus 0.25 and it will become minus 1.25 plus minus 0.25, that is minus 1.50. Now let's find out A3, that is A2 plus D. Here A2 is minus 1.5 plus D is minus 0.25. So we'll get minus 1.5 plus minus and 0.25 and it will become minus plus हो जाएगा but sign will be of minus. 1.5 plus 2 7 minus 1.75. Now let's find out A4, which will be equals to A3 plus D. Here A3 is minus 1.75 plus our D is minus 0.25. Minus 1.75 plus minus 0.25. Minus minus plus, and sign will be again of minus, that is negative, and we will get here 2. So all of these are the first 4 terms of AP. The first 4 terms of our AP series will be minus 1.25, minus 1.50, minus 1.75 and minus 2. So guys, question number 2 is completed here. Now in my next video, I will solve question number 3. So if you have any queries or any doubts, guys, you can ask me, and this is very easy question in fact, and somehow if you have not watched my earlier video, there you can find how to form it, you can find the general form of an AP series. So if you like my video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Till then, bye bye.